In this video, I'll show you the process to build your own steel connection library in the standalone version of IDEA StatiCa. Later, you can open a connection from your library in the connection wizard. For this example, I'm going to use the file uploaded in the following blog post, where we put together 30 common connections for data center structures. The connection file is available to download it from this link. Once you download it, you can open this connection file and you can start exploring the multiple connections that we save on that file using this drop-down menu. Also, you can go to the Project tab and navigate through them in this list. Now, review the connections and adjust the details to match your standard connection configuration. Once you're good with the details, let's start publishing the connections to the connection library. To do that, you can click over the Publish icon here. Publish a connection means that you'll save this connection into the connection library. Let's fill in all the properties of this connection. You can use the names to standardize your library because later you can filter them by name in the wizard. You can also use the load filters to indicate what type of load the design can handle. Like in this case, I'm going to select moment and shear. Finally, you can define where to save this connection, either in your personal or company design library. So the personal means that this connection will be available only in your session, okay? And then the company library means that this connection will be available for all the users that are in the same license pool as you. I'm going to pick personal for now and then hit publish. Once the process is finished, this window will close. Now, we can review the connections that you have saved in your connection library by clicking over the Manage option. You will see how this connection is located here. Okay, you can filter the connections by the different libraries that we mentioned before. You can scroll down and see all the connections. Also, if you click on connections, you will see more details in this area. You can repeat the process as is needed. For instance, in this case, I saved some of the connections from this connection file. We can review them under the Manage option, and you will see some connections from this file. And then I use a specific naming convention for these connections. So later I can identify them. From this connection library manager, you also can delete connections if you by mistake repeated some of the connections or you just simply don't want them in your library. Now that you save some connections in the connection library, you can open these connections from the connection wizard. I'm going to open IDEA StatiCa Connection application, and I am going to select this connection icon from the launcher of IDEA StatiCa. After that, the wizard will be open. Okay, so you can start defining geometry and then selecting the design from these libraries. The predefined is an IDEA StatiCa predefined library, and then company and personal, those are the connection library that we talked about before, right? So also you can scroll down and select the all geometries option. I'm going to uncheck the predefined, and then here you will see all the connections from your library. You can also use the search box to filter the different connections that you want to find. Remember that I use a specific naming convention for this connection, so I call them DT. So I'm filter them here, and then we can start a file from these connections. So let's say I am going to use this one here, and then create the selected design, and then the connection will be open in this new connection file, right? If I want to add a new connection here in this same file, I just click over the new option, and then the wizard will be open again. You can, again, define the geometry, define the library from where you want to find, and filter them by name. So you can add more and more connections in one file, so you'll have all the connections for a specific project, for instance. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show. Feel free to try out this workflow and let me know what you think. Thank you. Bye.